king has died. He has boarded the solar boat and travels with the sun god through the 12 hours of the night. Down into the land of the dead. Down into the realm of darkness. Down into the underworld. To face the guardians of the doors. To meet the damned ones. The punished ones. Through the lake of fire. To face the evil Apophis. It's the 6th hour. The sun god has become invisible. He has entered the hall of judgment. The god Osiris has weighed his heart and found it lighter than a feather, and now up toward the light, to meet the mummies who are awaiting resurrection. Up to meet the drowned ones who will be born again in the waters. Up to fight and beat the evil Apophis. Up to the last door. The king is born again. The sun god is born again.